Hi, I'm Kathleen McElwaine, and I want to invite you to my All Supplies Included, including 10 Daniel Smith colors, 100% cotton watercolor paper, a Pentel water brush, watercolor class. I teach on Zoom, so no need to worry about being close to where I am. We just get on our computer in our own homes. I have a camera that gives you a view just like this. This is the view that you have from the camera I have. And so in your home on your own computer, you can watch all my demonstrations and follow along. And I show up in every Zoom class. You're never without me in the class. In 5 weeks, you will learn how to watercolor paint in such a way that you'll be able to journal, that you'll be able to continue with classes with me. There's no drawing skills needed. I include patterns for you to use taken from paintings that I have painted for all of the paintings that you will be painting. Each week you will have something to show for the class that you'll be proud of. Now just watch as these little dragonflies take shape. That's the sort of thing that you will learn every week, and at the end you'll have paintings to show for it.